those crazy mornings when you're rushing out the door, coffee in one hand, half-packed backpack in the other, and the last thing you need is a bulky laptop slowing you down? Well, let me introduce you to the Lenovo Yoga Slim 7X. Now, this laptop isn't built for hardcore gaming or massive video edits, but it's perfect for keeping you efficient, mobile, and focused. Want to know if the Yoga Slim 7X is the right choice for you? Stick around to find out in our full review. But before that, if you're new here, hit that subscribe button and help us get to 10K subscribers. Right off the bat, the Slim 7X impresses with its design. It's crafted from aluminum, and while it doesn't scream luxury, it definitely feels premium, kind of like a well-fitted blazer. Clean, sleek, and professional. At just 12.9 mm thick and 1.28 kg in weight, it easily slides into a bag without adding bulk. It's also MIL standard 810H certified, which means it's surprisingly durable for something this slim. The hinge is smooth and sturdy, allowing for one-handed opening with no screen wobble. The backlit keyboard has 1.5 mm of travel, making typing feel comfortable and satisfying. The touchpad is responsive and spacious enough to navigate without frustration. And because it runs on a fanless Snapdragon chip, the whole experience is completely silent. No noise, no heat, just uninterrupted work or binge watching. Now let's talk about ports, or rather the lack of them. You get 3 USB-C ports, 2 on the left, 1 on the right, and that's it. No USB-A, no HDMI, and no headphone jack. So if you rely on accessories or wired headphones, you'll definitely need a dongle or an adapter. It keeps the design sleek, sure, but it does mean sacrificing a bit of convenience. This is where the Yoga Slim 7X really shines. You've got a 14.5-inch OLED touchscreen with 3K resolution, 90Hz refresh rate, and a taller 16:10 aspect ratio. It supports 100% sRGB and DCI-P3 color gamuts and comes with Dolby Vision. The result? Stunning visuals. Whether you're watching videos, editing photos, or just scrolling through your feed, the display looks sharp, colorful, and vibrant without going over the top. It's also bright enough to use comfortably in most lighting conditions. Audio-wise, you get a quad speaker setup with Dolby Atmos. The sound is loud, clear, and surprisingly full for a thin and light machine. Here, have a listen for yourself. Under the hood is the Qualcomm Snapdragon X Elite chip featuring a 12-core Orion CPU. It's not designed for power-hungry workflows like 4K video editing or advanced 3D rendering, but it handles daily multitasking with ease. Think Google Docs, web browsing, media playback, and light creative work. The fanless design keeps it completely silent even during heavier multitasking. The laptop remains cool and responsive throughout, making it ideal for on-the-go productivity. You also get built-in AI features thanks to the 45 TOPS capable Hexagon NPU. Microsoft's AI Copilot is accessible through a dedicated key, and tools like Co-Creator and Recall offer a taste of what AI-enhanced productivity can look like in the future. Right now, some of the features feel rather basic or experimental, but with this level of hardware support, there is potential for more useful tools to roll out over time. A quick note on app compatibility. Most mainstream apps like Chrome, Office, Spotify run natively on Windows for ARM. But if you use older or niche software, you may run into some emulation issues that affect performance. It's worth checking out before you buy. One of the biggest highlights of the Yoga Slim 7X is its battery life. It houses a massive 70 watt-hour battery with fast charging capabilities. In testing, it easily lasted through a full day of work. With streaming, editing, multitasking, it still had more than half battery left. It doesn't just last long, it performs consistently throughout. No sudden dips in power or forced slowdowns to conserve battery. Overall, it's efficient and well optimized for everyday use. If you often work remotely, travel, or forget your charger, this kind of reliability is a huge plus. So all in all, the Lenovo Yoga Slim 7X is an ultra-portable, beautifully built laptop that's ready for the next wave of AI-powered tools. It's perfect for students, remote professionals and digital creatives who value mobility, ease of use and battery life. However, it's not for everyone. Power users may find it a bit limiting. That said, if you're looking to try something modern, efficient and future-ready, the Slim 7X is a solid option. We're giving it a strong 4 out of 5 rating. And that's it for the review. Don't forget to like, subscribe and stay tuned to Unboxed by Chroma for all things tech. See you next time.